Paris like that? Ala. Alam na, oh. Ala, are you a witch?
No, it's pets. You're all socked.
It is a sock.
Good job.
Oh, good job. How did you hear that, guys? Sabi niya, good job daw, guys. Welcome back to our channel. So, good evening na kasi ngayon lang ako nag-open ng aking vlog. Alam niyo naman sa atin nyo, ayan, nag-work pa. Nandito pa ako sa harapan ng aking computer and ang aking baby girl ay nandito na rin. Say hi, guys. I'm very excited na kasi it is Friday. It is now currently 5:43 na pala ng hapon. But, ayan, working pa rin ang atin nyo. And, may dumating pala today. Where is it na? Asa mo na? Here. May dumating today, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. So, diba last time, sabi ko na bibili ako ng extra battery ng camera ko. Kasi, every time na nasa labas kami, nalolobat siya and I needed to stop my vlogging. So, yun na nga, guys. Ngayon na meron na tayong extra battery. Pwede na tayong umalis. Tapos, may bala na tayo. Ayan, So, binili ko talaga to siya from, Canon na website talaga. And, it took only, 1 day or 2 days yata yung delivery. Ayan. And, I bought this one for 59 Australian dollars. Ito. Tapos, free delivery yata siya. And also, ipapakita ko sa inyo. May natanggap si Baby Paris today from her Lola Karen. Tingnan nyo, Ito yung mga pinadala ng lola niya sa kanya. Ayan. Yung mga laruan niya para sa loob ng kanyang, bahay-bahayan. Ayan, sa ilalim. Tingnan nyo, Diba? So cute. Nung meron dito. Tapay, stove. May mga ganito-gano pa, Ayan, so cute. Tingnan nyo, ito yung pinaka-cute talaga, Okay. May wardrobe ba? Ayan. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ayan, Sobrang cute talaga ba? Nak, say thank you, Lola. Nak, say thank you, Lola, nak. Paris, ko. Thank you, Lola ba? Say thank you, Lola. Where's Paris? That's Paris.
No.
Say thank you, Lola Karen. Ayan. Tapos, may mga mask din, guys. Thank you, ma'am. Where are you going? It is 6:20 na ngayon, guys. And you know what? Your ate is still working. Overtime ako kasi sobrang dami nang gagawin sa trabaho. And Daddy Mike is cooking dinner. Ayan, but naka-mask. Naglalaro sila ni Paris. Ayan, While Mama's still working. Very yummy. Is it pizza for dinner, Daddy?
Mm-mm.
Wow! Do you like pizza, Nak? Do you like pizza? Pizza? Ayan yung laro nila.
Mommy!
Careful, ha? Daddy, did you tie it properly?
Yeah, but I'm scared how you do it.
No, I'm still working. Guys, tingnan nyo yung ginawa ng ating baby girl, guys.
Mommy's too.
Tingnan nyo, guys.
Rain, go away.
Rain, go away. Naputol na siya. Paris, Nicole. Tingnan nyo, guys. Naputol dito, Dito. Nakawawa naman. Paris, ewan ko kung ano nangyayari sa bulaklak ay sa halaman na to ba. Parang namamatay siya. Dahil siguro sa yung parang heater ba? Yan yung heater sa harapan, kasi very cold kasi. Kaya yung heater is on all the time. And yun, parang nasusunog siya ba? Ayan, ito pa. Ayan, pinutol pa ni Paris yang. Pangit na yan, tingnan, Nak. 7:30 na pala siya ng gabi, guys. And you know what? I'm very, very excited. Kasi may hinihintay ako. The other day kasi, may nakita akong post sa, parang page ba siya sa Facebook, Pinoy's in Melbourne. So, may nag-post na, yung bang bakery na nagtitinda ng mga kakanin. And, sa kasi sila guys, sa west side, sa Brybrook sila. Tapos, ako kasi, yung bahay namin is sa southeast. Pero, Friday kasi, nagdi-deliver sila ng mga kakanin dito na side. Kaya, nag-order ako. And, yun yung hinihintay ko. Sabi nung, may-ari, daw, mga 6 to 7 daw yung delivery nila. But, it's 7:30 na. Wala pa. Pag nakarating mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang sarap-sarap talaga. Madami akong in-order, guys. Kasi, meron kasi silang, minimum ba na, kasi nga, malayo naman yung dideliveran nila. So, kailangan na, bawi-bawi din. So, binili ko kutsinta, pichi-pichi, sapin-sapin. What was the other one? May pandikoko pa. Kaya very excited ako, very happy ako ngayon kahit yung computer ko ay nakabukas pa kasi kailangan ko pang mag-work. Is that your flag? Wow! Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan. So ito pala yung in-order ko guys. Ayan, may resibo ako. Isang kutsinta, isang puto, pichi-pichi, sapin-sapin, at pandikoko. Tapos, yung delivery fee is $8. So, yung nabayaran ko lahat-lahat was $39.80. Alam nyo guys, ang bait-bait nila kasi yung minimum talaga ng order nila for delivery is $50. Para, yun nga sabi ko, para bawi-bawi ba kasi malayo yung lugar namin. But then, sabi ko, hindi ko naman makakain yan lahat kasi ma-store mo siguro yan sa fridge for 3 to 5 days. Tapos, pag marami pa, ito na nga, $31. Magkano ba? Yeah, $39.80 with the, delivery fee. Ewan ko nga kung kailan ko to mauubos kasi madami na to siya. But, sabi ko, is it okay? Kasi pag $50, parang hindi ko na talaga kaya. Baka masayang lang ba? Matapon ko. Kaya, yeah, they were very nice na sabi nila, it's okay, okay lang ba, ganito yung delivery fee, ganyan-ganyan. So, sabi ko, that's fine. And I'm very excited, pero hindi pa talaga dumating. Ang ating bata ay very hyper. Nak, you wanna go to bed now?
No.
Why not? Why not? Yeah, where's the star, Nak? Oh, it's on your hair. It's on your hair. Where? Touch it. Touch it. Tap, tap.
That's a little.
What's the color of your hair? Hi guys, time check. It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. And alam niyo guys, I'm very sad kasi hanggang ngayon naghihintay pa rin ako sa mga kakanin ko. 'Di ba sabi nila kanina na mga around 6 or 7 o'clock ng gabi yung delivery. Tapos ngayon ay 9 o'clock na tapos wala pa rin akong nakikitang delivery. Tapos message ko sila sa Facebook. Hindi mag-go through yung yung message ko kasi hindi sila online ba? Sabi active 1 hour ago. Kaya sabi ni Daddy Mike pa, na lang daw. Kunin ko na lang daw yung pera ko. Naghintay ako sa wala dito ba kasi very excited na talaga ako na makakain ng kakanin, ng kutsinta. Sabi ni Mike, well, I don't think they're coming because it's already 9 o'clock. Ang ating baby girl ay matutulog na soon. Ayan, nangalungat. Hi, friends. Anyways, hintay-hintay pa ako, guys. Maybe another 30 minutes. If wala pa rin, then, I don't know, maybe we'll go to bed. We'll go to bed na. Nakakapanginayang talaga, guys. Like, seriously, alam mo yung feeling na sobrang hintay mo, very excited ka, tapos hindi dumating. Very disappointing talaga, very frustrating, guys. Anyways, I'll give them, another half an hour, Daddy. Daddy, I'll give them half an hour.
Good luck.
Good luck. Daddy had a shower already. Oh, I should have a shower too. Paris, go get ready for bed now, honey. Baba? Very din siya. Focus din sa kanyang TV. Guys, sobrang saya ko, guys. May sasakyan na nag-stop sa labas. I think sila na yan. We'll see, we'll see. Ayop, hindi na naman to, Joke, joke.
Warte, kasi ba ang kanta mo siyang one?
Oh yeah, that's them. They're calling. Hello? Ay, opo, lalabas na po ako. Thank you. Ay, thank you. Maraming salamat. Guys! Oh my God! Very happy na ako ngayon. Anak, what's this na? Come, you wanna have a look? Do you wanna have a look? Come.
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy, yummy. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko. Come. Have a look, look. Here, oh. Here. 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 Ah! Wow! Ayan, so meron tayong pandikoko. Oh, kutsinta, my favorite. Hala, naglagay kaya sila ng ay meron.
Where's
May sapin-sapin, Shelby.
It's piss.
It's Paris. What else have we got there, Nak?
That's
Huh?
Goats.
What's that?
Goats.
Donuts. It's puto cheese. Is it puto cheese? Wow, it's puto.
Duck.
What's that?
Tubers.
That is lubi. Ikaw ba? Lubi.
Yuppie.
That's
Pika.
right. And this one is calamay. I don't know what this is. And this one is
Rice.
rice. Pichi pichi. Yes. Which one do you wanna try, Nak? Which one? Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang aming binili. Ayan. So, yan yung binili ko kasi alam kong mauubos ko yan in a few days. Pag marami yung binili ko, alam kong masasayang lang. Which one, Nak? This one is very yum. Ito talaga yung paborito ko talaga sa bakery nila.
Dito, mommy.
Ayan, yung sabi nila 6 to 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock na sila dumating. Anyways, kain muna tayo guys.
Dito, mommy.
Here you go, Mami. Thank you, Nak. Ayun, kanina, anak. Ayan, so unahin muna natin yung kutsinta. And then the rest we'll put in the fridge. Thank you, Baba. Which one would you like? This puto. Oh, you like this puto.
Yummy.
Yummy.
That's fish.
Oh, here.
That's fish.
Wow.
My red. My
Yummy,
red
yummy.
fish.
Show to tita and tito. Oh, show them the food. Big puto.
Photo. One.
That's right.
One cookie.
Cookie. That's your cookie. And tapos lagyan ng niyog, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh my God.
Ba ba ba.
Mm.
Hooray. Bam bam bam. Hooray.
Mm. Have one.
Huh?
Ang sarap-sarap talaga ng ano nila, yung kutsinta nila ba?
Yeah, mommy.
Mm.
Pretty.
So, kung nandito kayo sa Melbourne, guys, tapos nasa west kayo,
Mommy, pretty.
make sure you visit, Papa Bear Bakery. Nasa sila, Braybrook.
This picture.
Mm. Yummy.
You try.
Promise, worth it talaga yung bayad nyo, guys. Isang ganito nila, $7. Pero sarap-sarap talaga. Nung doon pa kami nakatira before, sa West, palagi talaga kami pumupunta doon. However, may isang bakery din sa Maidstone yata or Braybrook. Pero yung pangalan ng bakery, Masarap Bakery, gustong-gusto ko rin doon kasi very masarap talaga yung nila. Anong tawag doon? Pandesal nila. Especially kasi mainit pa ba. Pupunta ako doon ng hapon tapos sobrang init pa ng pandesal. Sarap-sarap talaga. So feel ko pa rin na very Pinas pa rin ba. So I'm very happy na merong mga ganito sa sa Australia para naman hindi talaga namin namimiss yung pagkain sa Pilipinas.
Mommy.
Yes, honey. Anyway, ilagay ko lang to sa fridge, guys. Tapos, pagpapatuloy ko yung pagkain ko ng kutsinta. Ayan, o, kain tayo. Mmm. Mmm. Cleaning.
Clean.
Uy, ayun, anak, eh. Uy, anak.
It's a phone.
That's fire, yes. Brush, brush, brush 3 times a day. Are you a witch? Oh my god, are you a witch?
No, it's Paris.
Are you a witch?
No, it's Paris.
Oh, is it Paris? I thought you're a witch. I thought you're a witch.
Buffalo.
Gruffalo. Are you the baby Gruffalo or the mommy Gruffalo?
Be careful, brush your teeth.
Oh, it's just baby Gruffalo. Brush your teeth. Come on, baby Gruffalo, brush your teeth and wash your face so we can go to bed. Uy, no. Slow down the road. Good job. Wow, so beautiful. Pakit man ka na.
Why don't you wash your face?
Ha? Pakit man ka. Pakit ka na. Wow, so beautiful. Is that how you brush your teeth? You brush your teeth. Wash your face. It's just beautiful.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth again. Oh, finish na yun, ha?
Brush your teeth.
Yes, beautiful na, Bi. I said, Bi, have a look at the face, Bi. Beautiful. Wow! Pwede na mag-mow daw. Peekaboo.
Horse.
What is this?
A cat.
Sun. How about this?
Frog.
Frog.
A fish.
What's this?
A donkey.
A doggy.
It's a donkey.
It's a duck.
It's a pig.
It's a pig. Good job. How about this?
Cake.
It's a cake. How about this?
Fish.
Fish. Great job, honey.
And it's a car.
It's a car. How about the other way around? What's this?
A chicken.
A chicken. What is this?
Yes.
It's a bird.
It's a ducky.
What's that?
It's a ducky.
What's that? No.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound of the cat? Meow. What is this?
A boat.
It's a bird. That's right. How about this?
A cow.
A cow. What's the sound of the cow?
A
Moo. What is this?
sock.
It's a sock. That's right. And what is this?
A vest.
What is this?
It's a vest.
It's a
A
bear.
fish.
Last one.
A bus.
It's the bus. What's the color of the bus?
Yellow.
Yellow bus.
Boom, 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 boom.
Boom, 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 boom. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. What's the color of your jacket?
Yellow.
It's yellow. That's right. Mama, get the other flashcards, huh?
Mommy.
Hang on.
It's
Mama will come back. Mommy, oh, okay. You want Mama to... Okay, you're teaching Mommy. Oh, that is... Which one? This one? I think that's a bear. Is that a bear? Yes? Is that a bear now?
And it's all sock.
It is a sock.
Hi, job.
Oh, good job. did you hear that, guys? Sabi niya, good job daw, guys.
I tried
Murag correct man niya itong batang gamay. Oy.
one more.
Okay, one more. Be show mama. Maybe mama no. Mura makag-correct na. Ignan mo, good job, mama. Okay, mommy, what's that? That's a bus.
Yes.
Yay! Is mama right na?
Dad. That's not mommy.
This one is a bear. Thank you, Paris.
What's that?
This one is a sock. Is this a sock? Huh? Is it the sock? Okay.
Mommy.
Yes, Paris.
Mommy, it's that.
Which one? This one? It's a cow.
P.
D.
D. U. T. K.
Well done. How about
P.
B?
B. O. T.
This one ba?
Q.
This A.
I. T.
T. Yay! Well done. How about this?
P.
That's a D.
D. O. E.
G. Good girl. This one. Ano pa?
K.
What's that?
C.
C.
D. A.
A.
T.
T. Cat.
Where's that one?
How about this one?
T.
It does look like T, but it's not T, honey.
It's F.
F. Well done.
What's that?
What's this?
R.
R.
What's that?
What's this?
O.
Oh.
G.
Yay! Well done, princess. Maayo kay bata, bay?
P.
B.
B. I.
I.
R.
R.
B.
D. Bird. What else? Humanon good niya, guys.
C.
C.
B.
What's this?
O.
R.
W.
W. Cow. There's more.
P.
P.
I.
I.
J.
G. Pig. Good job, my love. Next one, please.
S.
S.
O.
R.
C.
C.
K.
K. Sock. How about this?
K.
Cake.
C.
C.
D. A.
A.
K.
K.
G.
No, what's this one?
G.
It's not G, no?
It's I.
It's E.
It's E.
That's right. Good job, Baba.
Next one.
Oh, there's another one. What's this?
Chicken.
A chicken.
No.
Okay. What's that?
H.
H.
D.
E.
A. N.
N. Other way around.
Sun.
Sun.
S.
S.
U.
U.
M.
N. Good job. Next one.
P.
B lagi na anak.
B.
B.
C.
E.
A. A.
A.
R.
R. Bear. That one. This one is not a T. It looks like a T, but it's not a T, honey.
F.
F. Good job.
I.
I. S.
H.
H. Yay! Good job. Bata na mga bright. That one, be? Last one.
P. I.
Sabi?
U.
U.
S.
S. Bus. Uy, napa nak? Layo na. Napo?
No.
What's that? Well done, Baba.
No, no, persistent.
Hala, persistent. Tingnan niyo, oh. Ako na naman yung leksyonin niya nito ngayon. Hanggang magdamag tayo dito ngayon, na. Hindi tayo matapos, na. By the way, guys, kakatapos ko lang din kumain ng kutsinta. Nako, oh my God. Super masarap talaga yung kutsinta, guys. Parang talaga ako, parang mahimatay talaga ako sa parang ignorante lang ng guys, mga kakanin. Careful, Baba girl. What's wrong? Hala, they're watching you. Oh, they're saying, why is Paris like that? Hala. Hala na. Are you a witch?
No, it's Chris.
I think you're a witch.
No, it's Chris.
Hala, I think you look like a witch.
No, it's Chris.
I love you lagi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
I love you, Mama. Say, hi guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you?
Hi, Mommy.
Oh,
It's fly. It's fly.
Tulog na tanak.
It's fly, Mommy.
You gotta go sleep now?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Go to your big girl bed.
No.
Good night, sabi. Say night, everyone.
Everyone.
Uy. See you tomorrow.
So,
I just love you.
are you?
Flying kiss na. Flying kiss ba? Ichush. Guys, papatulog ko muna to guys kasi 10 o'clock na siya ng gabi. I will speak to you again very soon pag nakatulog na tong batang to. Bye-bye! Tingnan niyo, oh, matutulog kaya to. Tingnan niyo, oh, super kulit pa. Bye! Are you going to sleep na or you gonna... Pabadlong ka? Ha? Magpabadlong ka, dili?
Mommy, come on.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Mama.
Hi again, guys. Pasensya na ang aking buhok ay everywhere. Nakatulog na pala si Paris. Ayan. And muntikan na rin akong makatulog. Bumangon talaga ako para magpasalamat sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa always na pagsuporta nyo sa aming channel. And pasensya na sa aking boses kung para akong nang hong-hong-hong. Kasi baka magising yung baby girl natin. But yeah, I just wanna say thank you to everyone na palaging sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga positive comments nyo, lovely comments nyo, all the kind words. Appreciate ko talaga. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out sa ating mamahal na subscribers. Thank you so much. And shout out to Asteria Mamaradlo from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Shout out. Shout out to Jennifer Apan from Buraida. Shout out from Daya Magallanes. Maria Lalaine Charisma, JK, shout out to Mitch Salas, Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Mergy Canonio, Virgo Manarang, Clarice Reyes, Flora Ferrer, Nancy Cornejo, it's me, Lizelle, shout out to Janet Marasigan, Jonadel Gallardo, Cynthia Granadil, Holger Simonson. Shout out to Mary Jane Yes Masbanwa. Shout out to Jorin Balatan and to the family watching from Bicol Albay. Shout out to Ristine Santos. Shout out daw JP, MG, KC Santos family. So shout out sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Soulmate, Shane Abastas, Gloria Francisco, Elsie Maglangit. Shout out to Maricar Remolta, Amor Barican, Fabrel Go, Chudora Algas, Solieta Ang, Jonalyn Torres, Rosel Flor, Nori Aliada, Rosario Saballe, Rosemary Ramoir, Janet Gordon, Odessa Donghil, And to my friend, Love Kagampang, shout out sa inyong lahat. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!